Hey guys, Hippie Magica here. So I wanted to share with you guys a powerful, amazing transformational manifestation course made for total beginners, total newbies in the law of attraction manifestation world. So if you're watching my channel and you know this stuff works, you know we create stuff, but you don't know how. You believe in this, but you don't know why it works, right? Like, you know, you manifested stuff, but you don't know how you did it, or why it works, or why sometimes it does work and in others it doesn't work. So this course is for you. So it's called The Magic of Self-Love, and it's a 3-month intensive. It's intensive because it's one video a day, one worksheet a day. It's easy to follow, easy to do. It's just you have to be consistent, right? You have to do the work, you have to watch the videos, you have to do the exercises, which are super easy. Like a high school kid, elementary kid could do it, right? Like if they know how to read, but you actually have to make the time to do it. So people who have done my Magic of Self-Love course program, they've manifested the next version of themselves, the next version of their relationship, their marriage, their health, their lifestyle, their career. They ascended careers, they got a raise, they got promoted, they started to, like, a mom, for example, a mom entrepreneur. She wanted to balance it all. I wanted to travel, so she did travel. She got more along with her husband's side of the family. So stuff like this, like, it'll solve the problems that you currently have, if that's the next version of yourself. Or if you know it's possible to, like, I don't know, let's say like you're an accountant and I don't know, you just want to travel the world and still be an accountant, or do something else. Like maybe you want to change careers. If you kind of know what you want to do, but you're not sure, then this course is for you, because it will help you manifest that next version of yourself. There is a reason why you want to change careers. There is a reason why you have a different desire. So in manifestation, it's normal to change your mind. It's normal to change in general. I feel like people who don't believe or are not in this world of manifestation, they get stuck doing the same thing, and they think that's the only way to achieve anything, right? Like success, love, abundance, money, whatever, right? But manifestation is the shortcut to anything, really. Like, I've accomplished everything in my life since 2018 with manifestation, and I've only been polishing my skills, my system. And this course, I created it in 2020, so like it's only been getting better and better and better. Like, I'm not gonna create like another course and another course. Like, I just keep making this one better, and I keep using the same methodology, the same system. I call it the magic formula. So that's why it's called the Magic of Self-Love, because magic has the formula of how to manifest, of how I manifest everything. This dream home that I'm now living in, my dream body, my dream relationships, me living this amazing lifestyle, which, oh my gosh, I'm completely in love with myself, in love with my relationships, in love with my clients, in love with my money, in love with the work that I do, in love with everything. And there is a formula. Like, manifestation is not hard, right? What is hard is like what's in here and just not taking action in reality. So if you want to learn how to manifest, if you're a complete beginner, if you want to transform your life and take full responsibility and do it the right way, right? Instead of like trying to self-teach yourself or trying to go 1 or 2 years of trial and error, like I did, right? Like I did a ton of trial and error since 2018, but that's what made me who I am now, an expert in manifestation and self-love, in lifestyle, right? Because I'm all about the lifestyle. I'm not about like what looks good or what looks successful, what people approve of. It's like what makes me happy. So I'm living my best life ever in my 30s, and you can do it too. So I'll leave the link in the description, and yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye everyone.